You may already know some animals like mačka and pas, but let's delve a little deeper and look at some other words like tomcat and puppy that you are likely to come across. Cat in general and a female cat is mačka. A male cat or tomcat is mačak. A kitten or pussycat in general or a female is mačkica. You may also see this as maca. A male kitten is mačić. The general term for dog or a male dog is pas. A female dog is kuja. There are a few words for a puppy: psetance and psić. Also, a general term štene, or for a female, štena. There's also a word for a group of puppies, štenad. Bird is ptica. Some different types of birds are parrot, papiga, eagle, orao, seagull, galeb, owl, sova, sparrow, vrabats, finch, zebra, and a warbler or a songbird is pjevica. A rabbit or bunny is kunić. A hare is zec. A guinea pig is probni kunić. And a mouse is miš. A horse is kon. A mare is kobila. Stallion is pastor or pastov. A foal, a colt or a filly, is zdriebe, and a donkey is magarac. A cow is krava. Bull is bik. Calf is tele. A male calf is muško tele, and female is žensko tele. And an ox is vol. Sheep and ewe is ovsa. A ram is ovan. Lamb is janje, and a flock of lambs is janjad. A goat and a female goat is koza. A male or a billy goat is jarac. A kid is jare, and a male kid is jarčić. A pig in general, a hog or a sow, is svinja, and piglet is praščić. A chicken in general is pile, a hen is kokoš, rooster is pietau, and a chick is pilić.